Nursery cartoon love journey with who I'm. In softest dawn the world awakes. With whispers sweet the stillness breaks. A mother stirs her heart aglow, for Christmas morn has come to show.
Come on up, you two.
Two little souls in dreams entwine. The toddler laughs, the baby's blind to all but joy that fills the air. Their giggles dance like winter fair. Come now, she calls, with love so bright. Let's dress in colors pure and light. With tiny hands and tangled hair, they giggle as they climb the stairs. The tree adorned with twinkling lights reflects their eyes in sheer delight. Each ornament a story told of years gone by and hearts of gold. She wraps them warm in cozy clothes as laughter spills and magic flows. Just one more hug before we go, and off they rush with spirits aglow. The kitchen hums with scents divine. Cinnamon swirls through morning shine. They mix and stir with flurry hands, creating treats from joyful plans. With family gathered round the fire, their hearts ignite with shared desire to laugh and
Come
sing
on up, you
neath
two.
mistletoe.
Hurry.
Such precious moments overflow. As evening falls on this dear day, under stars where wishes play, a mother smiles at all she sees. Her children's joy
you look so
is her heart's ease.
Are you an elf now?
The kitchen hums with scents divine. Cinnamon swirls through morning shine. They mix and stir with flurry hands, creating treats from joyful plans.
Beneath the boughs of an ancient tree, three children left their spirits free, with twinkling eyes like stars aglow in a garden where the soft winds blow. They danced on grass kissed by morning dew, with hearts so light and sky so blue. A garland of leaves adorned their hair as they whispered secrets to the air. A wooden sleigh sat under the sun, where dreams of sugar plums would run. The eldest claimed it as her throne, while tales of wonder turned to stone. The middle child with cheeks aglow held up a sprig of mistletoe. Let's hang it high for all to see, for Christmas magic is wild and free. The youngest squealed with pure delight as snowflakes danced in soft twilight. They built a snowman round and bright, a jolly friend for Christmas night. With laughter ringing through leafy lanes, they shared warm cocoa in paper chains. Each sip was sweet as their bond did grow in the sacred space where love did flow. And when the sun dipped low in grace, they gathered round with joyful face. Their wishes whisper to starlit skies, for peace and joy in every heart that flies and lies.
to live, journey with who I'm